When all is said and done, what matters? What is it that really matters? As a landscaper, does the freedom to work the way you want matter? Wherever you're needed, charge for a full day's work. To be able to take care of business, all your business, does that matter? Freeing up time to focus on what's important. Does it matter if you enjoy your work? How easy it is, and how much of a toll it takes on your body? Does being the strongest matter? The most efficient? The most productive? Does quality matter? Does it matter for whom you do it? What impact you have, and what you leave behind, and how that makes you feel. Having an experienced partner you can rely on, does that matter? Because in the end, it's all about what matters most to you. Battery-powered landscaping by Husqvarna. For what matters.